Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. It is 7 a.m. here with Chili because it's 43 degrees. We're heading to Daytona. So today, I don't know what the high is going to be today, but it's going to be cold as heck.
Yeah.
It's going to be rainy as heck.
Yeah.
We're going to get wet as heck.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning. Good, how are you? So we're both strapped down, loaded up with bags to keep all our stuff dry. Yeah, we're here at the Waffle, where we usually meet, so we're gonna go in and get some breakfast. We'll be back Sunday night. So 3 days, Daytona in the rain. Let's go have some fun. Alright, Yogi Clan, we just pulled over to fuel up. We are in Savannah. It is now starting to rain. 11:20 in the morning. Let me pull up the weather radar. While the radar's pulling up, we'll show you how we're packed. So, like I said, I did put the mink oil in my boots. See them there? Nice and fresh. Got some asbestos bags from work, and I got some 2 mil trash bags. Put all sleeping bag, tent, clothes. Rain jacket, which I'm about to put on. Camera bag. One more extra bag. Then inside here is my air mattress, iPad, and more camera gear. So the rain is now officially here. Oh yes, the weather radar. Let's look at the radar. There's Daytona. Oh dude. So we'll ride through it, but it ain't gonna be pretty. But that's a good reason why we filled up here. That way, if we can get below Jacksonville, we should be able to hopefully get out of it. 5:30 it leaves Daytona. So we're gonna be in the rain the next 5 hours.
Yeah, sure.
Pretty much.
Should be fun.
Should be fun. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, it's Saturday night. I'm in my tent. We're pretty much wrapped up with the weekend. I'll need to tell you the story about it. But we're getting ready to have about 40 degrees. It's chilly out. We've been wet all weekend long. We've been wet since probably about 3 o'clock on Friday, straight through to about 2 o'clock today. It stopped raining at about 2 o'clock today. Now, it didn't rain last night while we were sleeping, so that was good. That was a plus. And it was fairly warm last night, so it was a comfortable night last night. Tonight's supposed to be down to 40, but there's no rain tonight, and our stuff is dry. So, should be a good night's sleep tonight. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to a good ride home. Good ride home tomorrow. I didn't record a whole lot of today because the first half of it was rain. I mean, we woke up this morning, we were up, we were gone, we were out. Probably by 8 o'clock we were out, and by 9 o'clock the rain was coming in. We stopped, we had gotten fuel, we looked at the radar, we're like, oh no. So we made a mad dash for destination Daytona and really hunkered down in the rain there probably till about 2 o'clock. And then we went to, I think it was Iron Horse Saloon, I don't remember the name of it, and then we went out to a fish house for dinner. So it was a good day. I didn't really record much today because of the rain, and after the rain was done and gone, I was just in the mood to just hang out and just enjoy Daytona. It got sunny this afternoon. It got nice. It was a nice afternoon. Rough start, but a nice afternoon. So we're going to hunker down. The time changes tonight, so, getting up tomorrow at 7 to roll, which I was really wanting to get up at 6, roll by 7, so I could get ahead of the wave of people that are going to be going up through there. But with the time change, with sleeping outside at 40 degrees, so we're going to just get up at 7, roll at 8. So I will catch you at another time, but it was a good trip this year. Had a lot of fun in the tent, stayed dry, and thank you for coming along on it with me. Sorry I'm talking quiet. I'm at a campground. Quiet hours. All right, Yogi clan. All right, y'all. It's the day after. We're on the way home. Here with Chili.
What's up?
Finally, the sun's out. Guns are not out because it's still kind of chilly.
Yeah.
But last night, so we didn't record much yesterday, kind of like I said in the tent last night, just because yesterday morning was a wash. Today it's windy and cold, but at least it's not raining. Yes. So we're not wet.
No.
And our tents were dry last night.
Yeah,
but it was cold. It got down to 40. So I don't know about you, but I was snuggled up in the sleeping bag, in the tent with the tarp over it, snug like a bug in a rug, but you could tell it was cold.
Yeah. Yeah, and every time I tried to stretch or roll over, come out just a little bit, your arms like, oh man, I need to get back in.
The little draft would come. You're
Yep.
like, oh wow. And then when I unzippered the flap and got out of the tent this morning,
gosh.
man, it was cold.
Yes, it was.
And with the time change and trying to get on the road, we were kind of about an hour later than hoped. But ride hasn't been bad, and we are just a little bit west of Charleston, so probably about 3 hours to go, give or take, depending upon traffic. So thank you for joining us on this trip. We had an awesome time. It was epic even with the weather. We still had a blast. So we'll catch you on the next one. All right, Yogi Clan. Appreciate it. Later.